Overthinking. Has it ever kept you awake at night or left you replaying every little decision in your head like a broken record? Most advice tells you to just stop thinking, but that never works. It just makes your mind louder. Today, I'm going to give you a single, super simple phrase that instantly calms your thoughts. No struggle, no fighting. Try it with me for a second. Thanks, mind. Not right now. Feels a bit strange? Perfect. Stick with me. I'll show you why this works, the exact rhythm to say it, and the one anchor you need for it to actually stick. Why this works. Here's the problem with most advice. When someone says, stop thinking or be positive, your brain hears a threat. It's like trying to push a beach ball underwater. The harder you push, the faster it pops back up. This phrase works differently because it does two things. Acknowledges. Your mind hears, okay, I'm being heard. Sets a boundary. Not right now. No force, no arguing. You're not battling your thoughts. You're calmly leading them.
The rhythm and internal voice. Now, how you say it matters. You don't have to whisper it out loud. Internal is enough. Think of it in 3 beats. Thanks, mind, not right now. Here's a trick. Say it softly, like talking to a worried friend. Try it with me silently now. Thanks, mind, not right now. Notice how your body responds? Calm phrasing signals your nervous system that it's safe. Angry phrasing keeps you in fight or flight. See the difference?
Quick guided practice. Let's do a mini exercise together. Pick one thought that's nagging you, maybe tomorrow's meeting or something you said yesterday. Name it. Just acknowledge it exists. Say the phrase internally, thanks mind, not right now. Take one slow exhale. Notice that tiny gap between thought and action? That's called space, and in that space, you regain your power. Pro tips and real-life hacks. Here's how to make this really work in life. At work, feel overwhelmed? Plant your feet firmly, say the phrase internally, and take one slow breath. The physical anchor makes it real. Hot message rule? Angry text? Say the phrase, then wait 5 minutes before replying. Most regrets vanish. Bedtime loop? Mind racing at 2 a.m.? Say the phrase, then jot one line. I'll handle this tomorrow at 10 a.m. Your brain gets permission to rest. Troubleshooting? Thought keeps returning like a boomerang? Tweak the phrase. That's a thought, not a fact. Boom, loop broken. Try this today. Once at work, once before sleep. Then come back here and comment one word about how it felt, like lighter or still. Your experience helps others see it actually works. If this gave you a practical reset, tap like so more people can find it, and subscribe for simple mental hacks that actually fit into your busy life. One last time, thanks mind, not right now. Breathe. You're in control.